Hello everyone, welcome to the series Tragic Flaw in Shakespeare's Plays. And in this video, we are going to discuss the play Cymbeline. Introduction. In Shakespeare's Cymbeline, Posthumus Leonatus is a tragic hero whose downfall is driven by his tragic flaws of jealousy and rashness. His quickness to believe false accusations about his wife Imogen leads him to make destructive decisions that ultimately jeopardize his happiness and nearly cost him his life. Jealousy as the catalyst. Posthumus's jealousy is the catalyst for his tragic journey. His deep love for Imogen, while genuine, is overshadowed by an inherent insecurity and susceptibility to doubt. This flaw is exploited by Iachimo, who deceives Posthumus into believing that Imogen has been unfaithful. Iachimo's false evidence convinces Posthumus, who exclaims in a fit of jealousy, "Is there no way for men to be but women? Must be half workers? We are all bastards." Act 2, Scene 4. This swift descent into jealousy highlights how easily Posthumus is swayed by suspicion, demonstrating his tragic flaw, rashness and impulsiveness. This jealousy feeds into Posthumus's rashness, leading him to make impulsive and destructive decisions. Without seeking confirmation or confronting Imogen, Posthumus orders her death in a letter to his servant Pisanio, declaring, "If you can bring tincture or lustre in her lip, her eye, heat outwardly or breath within, I'll serve you, as I would do the gods." Act 2, Scene 5. This hasty decision underscores his irrationality and lack of judgment, traits that propel him further into tragedy. Imogen's innocence. Imogen's innocence and unwavering love for Posthumus make his actions even more tragic. Despite his baseless accusations, she remains loyal, expressing her love and confusion over his sudden change of heart. Her words, "False to his bed? What is it to be false? To lie in watch there, and to think on him?" Act 3, Scene 4. Poignantly capture her bewilderment and devotion. This stark contrast between her fidelity and his misguided jealousy underscores the tragedy of Posthumus's actions. Realization and remorse. As the play progresses, Posthumus's realization of his mistake brings a sense of remorse and self-awareness. Upon discovering the truth of Imogen's innocence, he is overcome with guilt and regret, lamenting, "O Imogen, my queen, my life, my wife. O Imogen, Imogen, Imogen." Act 5, Scene 1. This moment of anagrosis or recognition is crucial in Shakespearean tragedy, making the hero's acknowledgement of their flaw and the irreversible consequences it has wrought. Exploration of jealousy and rashness. Posthumus's story in Cymbeline serves as a poignant exploration of the destructive power of jealousy and rashness. His quickness to believe false accusations and his impulsive actions illustrate the perils of allowing emotions to override reason. His journey from love to jealousy, rashness, and ultimately remorse highlights the tragic trajectory of a hero undone by his own flaws. Conclusion. In the end, Posthumus's tale is one of redemption as well. Despite his grievous mistakes, his genuine remorse, and the eventual reconciliation with Imogen offer a glimmer of hope and forgiveness. This resolution underscores the complexity of Shakespearean tragedy, where even flawed heroes can find a path to redemption. Posthumus's story is a cautionary one, emphasizing the need for trust, communication, and temperance in the face of doubt and suspicion. So this was the discussion on the tragic flaw in Shakespeare's play Cymbeline. We will meet in the next video and take up some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.